Me couldn't obey no man for me, cause remember woman was my thing for true. And the boy said, don't take back no more, girl. I'm say I'm not gonna do that. The boy said, some boy alive, murder. I say I must know about my life. I'm not hide. This is them a girlfriend drama. Yeah, and him still accept me. And when the people him come in and DM and tell him things, and people him in the ear tell him things, him say him not gonna leave me. But who to believe that? Remember, I'm gonna put my trust in a man. Murder. No, one Twep. There's no other Twep. All I know, all I know, all I know, all I know, all I know. Me and him there from August. I mean, never try for show it up yet. I put it underneath the bus sound and never stops until you try dig me out, and you dig me out, and you dig me out, and you dig me out. Eh? All I know, I argue with a man, and this, you need a visa now to come see him. You need a visa. I want Twep. Yeah. You want Twep for true. You love me. Love me. The facts say you brag about the boy. You barely know. Yeah, mate. I saw it go sometime. Remember, listener, if me barely know the boy put me in a big position. Because when know him and grow with him and go school with him, I know him from him maga till blood clot. No, never get a par yet. Never get a par yet. So if me barely know him, if me and him just start talk from August till now, till the two we fly out together to blood clot, me live in a film house and none of never get a live in it. Cause remember me are the only girl living at that. I'm gonna ask you. And me barely know him. Then not so much something he might give me, I mean barely know him. I'm never buy a ticket for my blood clot self yet. Yeah? I me barely know him. He met me there, for me there. Yeah. He man lava make me there, for me there. Remember good no? You can't know my business, you know. Bad to bad, you can't know my business. Cause you not gonna make me come over here, come talk nothing. And did the man no want them. And them a kill up them blood clots if I never want them. Live your life to them all not good, everything. This reminds me of CJ situation. Oh, it reminds me of ears. I don't want them for no whole heap of ears. More than the boy they show me which my spot there. Mm-hmm. Something for I about, yeah. Don't talk your business. I'm not talk my business. Nobody no know who the guy be because me not gonna bring him out on the media stuff. I mean when a girl feel like I'm afraid for post him. I'm not afraid for post him, but just nah go show him up because of circumstances. I know me not gonna bring him out on the media. Lilo friend. Yes, Frashel, you know the rules. You know the fucking rules. But the old media know him too. If the media know him, but me no want them know him by me. I know the old media know him, but I don't want them. I don't want them know him by me. I don't post my already man in the plane and them something this. So I just the truth. Boss man is ready. Moving a blood clot in the class, you know. Go out and say, my man fly me out. So man flew me out. I'll not kill up with myself. My man flew me out. Who know him, know him. Yeah. Jersey. My dad Bronx. They are Bronx. Right now, I come over here to come argue over a blood clot. Me argue over eclipse. Don't know to me like eclipse. Eclipse must say eclipse. The whole on sad. Eclipse me I worry about my daughter eclipse. So Twep, you're done with the lesbian world for good. Boy, some for leave lesbian life alone. Murder. We can't trouble nobody. Can you focus on it to make money with this conversation? Listen up, I me a blood clot focus to make money. Me I still have focus to make money, but when some look roach we get put in a them place, I get put in a them place. I'm tired of them now. I'm sick and tired of them. Wanna leave me alone? May I answer them? I'm tired of them. I am tired of them. Do you pray this? My mom must pray before I wake up. My mom say, our father, not our man. I'm tired of them. Remember good, you know. One thing with me, you know, me gonna find man where I love me, you know. No matter the circumstances, no matter the drama I'm go through, boy, always love me. Always love me. Always, no, big man thing. Man always love me. I don't know why. I don't know why. And them know my background sometime. I not eat out of nobody body. I not lick out nobody. No boy not piss by me. So what did the body not the book? Nothing did the body not the book more than I did with my girlfriend. That's the only thing body not the book, you know. But man always request me. I don't know what happened. But man always like me. What a way my ears say. Now the pandemic mix up there with you. Did your baby daddy love you to tell us bestie? Did your baby daddy love you? Tell us bestie. My baby father Delmar. Delmar did love me, of course. From Delmar fuck pan me, I'm a fuck back pan him. My baby father vex because I fuck pan him. So what you mean by me? My baby father talk see me, I'm a friend. My man him always love me and take me serious like gun and drugs. Them don't get the best of me. I feel sick, you know. So stop come live because I'm not feeling good. Skip my comment. I'm not skip all. Type no. Type no, Inky. Females, please love yourself because this is not it. This is not something to be proud of. I'm gonna suck your mother and come off for this. But female, please love yourself. This is not. Move your dirty blood clot and go away. Yeah, go ahead. Come off for this. I'm black your dirty blood clot. Go ahead. Right. My ears say you're pregnant. Figures are true. So wife my care a little bashi. I don't know her. Hey Twep, welcome to America. America baby. Your father did love her, yes. Yeah, my father love me. Cause my father and I got him because I take care of my child. Even if my fuck on him and it hurt him, as my baby father, I take care of my son. I make sure my son alright and my son intelligent, no blood clots. Yeah, Ronnie is little bashy. She love the boy, she love the boy. Leave her. Yeah, leave me alone. Talking name if you're all good. Yeah. Why you run leave, guess? Boy, hey, wanna know more about me and guess. story that me and guess to blood clots. Cause some question wanna ask me about me and guess. Hey, somehow eat my man, you know. I don't want to see the worst film, you know, or somehow know him fuck, you know. Can't leave the me that she love it. Why me can't leave it? Yeah, me gotta check my DM. No, no name tip, no name, don't call me. Why she be same happy feel? Tip tip, me like you. Tip tip, we share some family members. I think you know my grandmother from country. Members of my family, them. We, them not have no passport. That's why they think that. It's to feel better, just change away. It's more feel better now. Some of them vex cause good man I run from them. I just the truth. Murder. Unana style. Unana style. None of size up with me cause I can't sit down in a no relationship where boy I hide me and them so yeah mother I don't know any boy I fuck if I fuck him I'm yard tonight and him gonna tell me say me call you when if come over next night. Remember me no want you sir. If me not there around you like ticks in your skin, me no want your blood clot. So remember good no the boy no idiot from mascot, you know. The boy no girl with sense, you know. So him know who for clown out and who for do the things them. Yeah, remember good. Well, I'm still really coming in help and something. So when you come over here, so run up and come listen business and him something there. Oh no lucky, I only dry me out. Me I go no one. So only I see it. Get some zinc so one thing, you know, you read the comments and interact with everybody. My girl, when you find good money for all and pan him, don't make bad mind, make you run left him, cartel vice. Ah, barely more. What's going on? Me I read all about them comment me never read him and stop follow these people him. Him name Big CK Puppy. Why I don't know everything. I this one did why enough for bring down start what even know how him fuck somehow no. When just careless and when just love baga and I don't know how him fuck somehow no. Somehow not the cast of on the spot media you know cause una just crosses. Una typically crosses man. Hold on there. Not typically crosses. Hold on. Not typically rascal crosses. Not crosses is true. Brother! No, when you come back, you know, give me a chance. Brother, you're there. Tip, tip, confused like it. Murder! No, sir. You're not gonna leave me alone, you know. I'm not play the music, could you love me alone, the man. Tip, tip, girl, they were my dog. Pressure got up to blood. Me say me and my man feel jet lag. Excellent. No, sir. Hey. So me and man upon the plane, you don't feel jet like the blood class. I'll knock that killer put himself. Show my man video me. Hold on. Man love video me, I can't know me a mad girl. Murder. Hold on. When I go mad out. Mad out. Me I show them my boyfriend. Me I show them my boyfriend. When I go mad out. Lord God. Mad out for true. They got jet lag, the blood. Let's see bad boy jet lag. Jet lag. Oh God. But still, man, not do this. There's so much people not working. Oh, I would not work today. Why? Wow, memories I have. Hey, my love him mother, God know for birthday boy. God know. Come with a lot of troubles, but bad too bad. I nah this guess cause guess do a lot of things to me. Bad too bad. I nah this him for true. Him do a whole heap of things to me. So none of them girl can make me come over here to come class him. Cause the boy did a whole heap of things to me. Whole heap of things to me. And if me for give him anything, I go give him it no blood clot because he man love and make me rich for me rich. And him spending money in a blood clot. Mm-hmm. I say me can't even find it. People must read in a comment. No, sir. Murder. Murder. He's cute. My personal don't like him. Him nice to true. Shakai Pitney, you know, God, Shakai, but thank you, murder. Shakai one boy Pitney, the girl, him one mash up the boy, you know. Shakai one nice boy Pitney. Shakai, when him a grow people, he tell us him gonna be a problem, you know. But no, people tell him mother say there gonna be problem. Boy, nice. He nice. Uno can't make me left my man. I don't know come in a heap when I left my man. Crazy. Boy can't come here, you know. I never tell you no follow me. So anything when you want soon I go drown and dead. I never tell you no follow me. No follow me. Cause I want to see if my post my name so many. So anything I post I wouldn't trouble me. I never trouble me. So when him come and him fly come at the Bronx, he just beat me. I fuck yes, somebody tell him follow the video. I would say, Bobby. I never want to go buddy.